In the name of Lord, the omniscient, omnipotent, and the most beautiful, I am very obliged to you, most honorable, reverend, and well qualified people, that you have offered me a marvelous and outstanding chance to explain my views on the below given subject. Kashmir is an integral part of Pakistan. I would prefer to initiate this mega speech with great pride and honor to be true Pakistani from head to toe. No matter how much the world may deny the truth, no matter how much the UN may delay the case, how much India may live in this, but it is a pain in the neck of United Nations organization. It is a big blow on the democracy of India and world. Kashmir is an integral part of Pakistan. Kashmir was an integral part, and Kashmir will ever be a part of Pakistan. Mr. President, since independence of Pakistan, according to separation covenant of Indo-Pak, the areas of the majority of Muslims would be given to Muslims. Thus God provided every part of Kashmir. Kashmir has been our since time immemorial in blood, in body, in bone, and in soul. It was never of such devils who have proven to be demons of dark and the black spot on the democracy, so-called democrats of world, but the monarchs, aristocrats, Babylonians, the barbars, and the beasts of 21st century, the scientific age, where old rituals of slaves have perished. Today, the souls are born free, the minds are nourished free, the humans are independent by thought, by idea, by talks, by wishes, and by birth. So how can India, which has to be demolished by us in her fortune, how can she snatch our Kashmir, your Kashmir, Kashmir of every Kashmir, Mr. President, Kashmir of every Kashmir. It's a sort of Damocles for India, neither to be swallowed nor vomited out. The day is not, for we will snatch Kashmir from them. As the falcons hunt, as the lions grab by roaring, as Pakistan defeated them in 1965 with a thundering sound. Mr. India, you're gone. Mr. India, you're dead. Mr. India, you're perished. Mr. India, you're to go to doom. Boom, boom, boom. We will surely get Kashmir back, either you lose or snooze. We will doom you with bomb of Takbir, the nuclear bomb of Pakistan. Either you fight a war of missiles or dialogues, either morally, socially, economically, or to come to term. The term is final. Quite Kashmir, pack your bag and baggages, move towards your destiny. Mr. President, Kashmir was ours yesterday in accordance to Treaty of UNO, in accordance to history, and in accordance to religion. Kashmir is Pakistan. The flag will soon wave on Delhi. Get not talk to Kashmir. Even India is going to be occupied, inshallah. Coming to bottom line, I would like to sum up by saying, गौर कर लो भारत जी, मोरिक नहीं शाते हो तुम. गौर कर लो भारत जी, मोरिक नहीं शाते हो तुम. खेल खिलाफ ताबकारी असले तो सुनो, खेल खिलाफ ताबकारी असले से तो सुनो. हिरोशिमा नागासाकी बन के ले जाओगे तुम.